Massive benefits of building your business credit. Business credit is credit under a company's EIN. It is not associated with an owner's social security number. Business credit and personal credit are separate. Scores can diverge dramatically. Credit is in the business name and based on the business's ability to pay, and not the business owner's. Since the business qualifies for the credit, when done right, business credit is obtained with no personal credit check required from the business owner, and the business owner isn't personally liable for the credit the business obtains. Why do you want business credit? All major businesses have it. Warren Buffett, Oprah Winfrey, Bill Gates, etc. don't risk their personal assets when their companies borrow money. They don't need to provide a personal guarantee either. Why? Because their own businesses have credit. Start with trade credit, trade lines. There will often be net 30-day terms for the things you buy all the time. You want vendors that will approve you with minimal effort. You also want them to be reporting to one or more of the business CRAs. You need 5+ to move on to the next step. Start monitoring your business credit. Address all errors as soon as possible. Check credit reports and their details, not just the scores. We can monitor your business credit at Experian and D&B for just $24 a month. Just go to creditsuite.com/business-credit-monitoring. For D&B, go to dnb.com/credit-builder. At Equifax, go to equifax.com/business/business-credit-monitor-small-business. And for Experian, go to smartbusinessreports.com/landing/1217. Experian and Equifax each cost $19.99, and D&B costs between $49.99 and $99.99. Update if there are errors or anything is incomplete. At D&B, you can do this at iupdate.dnb.com/iupdate/viewiupdatehome.htm. For Equifax, do this at equifax.com/business/small-business. And for Experian, go to experian.com/small-business/business-credit-information.jsp. With 5 to 8 vendor trade accounts reporting to at least one CRA, move on to revolving store credit. These are companies like Staples and Office Depot. Use your EIN on these credit applications. Amazon reports to all 3 CRAs. To get out of providing a personal guarantee, show at least 3 years' time in business. Next stop is fleet credit. You need 8 to 10 accounts reporting. These are companies like Conoco and BP. Use it to buy, repair, and maintain vehicles. Apply using your EIN. Next is cash credit. A history of handling business credit responsibly pays off here. These are companies like MasterCard and Visa. Keep your social security number off these applications. Use an EIN instead. You generally need 14 or more accounts reporting to get cash credit. There can be time and business requirements, and there can also be minimum paydex score requirements. Let's recap. Business credit means personal credit is untouched. Utilization rate stays low. There are no inquiries on personal credit. Building business credit before you need makes it easier and faster to get it. Payment history and credit history matter. Build business credit the right way. Establish business credibility. Get DUNS, EIN, and set business entity up with the IRS. Start with vendor credit. Move on to revolving store credit. Then move to fleet credit and cash credit. Contact us today to learn more about the massive benefits of building your business credit.